Happy HR app is an integrated, accessible, and innovative web-based application that features technology as an integrated platform of leave application, work administration, performance management, employee information, employee engagement, learning and development, and other HR processes. At the back of all of these, the application provides us a large amount of data that can be utilized to generate understanding of demographical, personal, professional, and organizational information of our employees. We then use the graphs, tables, and figures to plan out and implement the programs, projects, and activities as interventions to the apparent work problems and challenges. This practice has paved way to various milestones in employing technology and data science in the workplace. Guided by the three anchors of HR leadership, people first, positivity, and productivity, the Happy HR app was introduced and implemented by LGU-Gensan. It aims to sustain the delivery of government services by implementing the People First initiative, wherein the welfare and development of employees are considered a priority.